This is another episode of WeBuild GHANA, and this is a construction site that we are on at KOKOBEN, Kumasi. And as you can see around, this was formerly another project, and the owner contacted us for a different plan on this very same foundation. So as you can see, we don't want to excavate this whole project off and build a different foundation on top of this one. So we are trying to be economical as we did. If you haven't watched the project at Kenya's HMM, go and watch that footage. So we did the exact same thing that we are coming to do here there. So as you can see, the foundation was stretched from that very far end to this place. And since the water foundation didn't actually reach this place, we did a foundation here and we dug here. So we will fill it up, then cast it up, then we start out with our reinforcement beams. So this whole place will be graded off. So as you can see, there's already a formal block work here, but here, come and show them around. We dug about 5 feet or 6 feet deep for us to get the solid ground and start our fresh foundation from this end, because all of this place will be graded off. Yeah, so this is what we are doing. And this place is the front facing or the front elevation of the whole project. So where I am standing right now is the garage. Here will be the entrance. So as you can see, the foundation was more than what we needed. The foundation was actually less than what we needed, so we need to expand it and dig a fresh new foundation or dig a fresh new trenches and start from fresh up here, so that it will catch up with this one, so that we will just fill it up and cast it out. So this is what we are doing. So if you already have a older foundation that you want a newer project on top of it, you don't need to just read it all off and start from fresh. You can contact us. We will come and do it solidly on top of what you already have, and you can save costs from the filling, cost from the blocks a lot. We are WeBuild GHANA. My name is Dr. Kojo Wellington. Thank you very much. So far, no Jumano. And now you man here, I've been about 519. Yeah, oh, and the progress over here. A foundation now, you now. I'm the chairman now. Any more than swear. Approach for no son. It was why I bought Jumano. So far, they come go say we answer. The young boats are making cement. Now, what they? I am Rossing so I can have banana. 7 this number. Now, one by one, Juma. So far, progress no anyway for the day. So far, no, and then Saturday, and then the day Jumanji and every year for the first week. And she said, we say no, the entrance. I porch for this is the first pillar, then the second pillar. And she has garage. The garage inside here, we know. step down. By inside the bay, I can't climb in that. For instance, they was in here. I think the Hana garage. And the garage, and then, fortunately, now, any old foundation, they're trying it. I bet him because that broke old foundation here. That's it. Maybe I can't in the farm. I never cast it. Then I can't find it. I can't wear it. And I say so. Honey, 12 and 10 TV. I want to send you that means a dynamic and do her. Now, with that being said, I think poor fish. I think our old foundation, not I think normally a garage. I see in I never was seen. Be a big good free one. And then I am perceived a talk, feeling I may be a viewing. Yes, I see her. Never have a failure. I see. Never to pass no water in a city open. Was no in a never was in a very it's too far. We are first week to my eye. You feel in every. Then make you say you're going to do something be a headache. At least you're going to clean up Monday, you never try to be to Jack in a video. You're compacted until by Tuesday, dear. This is by Tuesday. Now I say I cast it through now for the asset the way I say. So far, for the first week, it's money in a trouble. And I'm going to show you.
Yo, man, back what?